zip. Zepa wena man. Awu zip. Zip. Ayisho bengikwazi ukuzepa yazi. Awu zip. Awu zip. Yes. Awu zip. Zepa man. Yeah. Ukuthi ngibe live TSK. Zepa nowadays. Hey, zip. Wenzeni ithlalesto? Waritu. Oh, zip. Oh, zip. Oh, zip. Hey, kumete. Oh, zip. Hleli nasebumnyameni. Yaloya.
Ngiyakubona wena uyafika lapho uzodlalela uPamela uhamba ungena.
Awuforwardile. Uyena
Oshare live
yeah.
ukucelela ukuthi ngisale ngamqhufuza usungasekho wena.
Angithe ngibize mama lokuqhufuzana naye.
Ngimqhufuza kawuthusu uhambileke wena.
Hawu.
Kodwa kwamanje awusangangithola mfethu. Akhona amantombazana abuka live yakho lapha.
Akhona amantombazana kahle.
Ayike type yami nje. Ayike type yami lapha umcabanga.
Guys nangugumede.
Kodwa level 0. Level 0. Level 0 ngezi la.
Yeah.
Ngathi ungaba level 12, 13 sibo ukuthi khona potential. Kodwa nje hayi. Level 0.
Hayi kumede ngithe mangikhuluma ngabo bavele bathula bazange basabingelela nokubingelela.
Hayi kulungile mfethu hayi. Athi ngishaye 1 la mfethu bese ngiyahamba. Anginaso vele smoke.
Ninje vele nina uyafana noPamela mangithola anina smoke.
Hayi yabo mina mfethu mangizoshaya umuntu ngiyamthetha ngizokushaya bese ngiyadlula. Because ngisuke ngavethi ngizokushaya. Okwamanje ubalo uphilo. Thank you P Fairy. Thank P Fairy for liking the live. Ngiyabonga.
Asimzepe guys, asimzip.
Awekho amantombazana.
Nanda, clock it. Hayi lana khona. Lana khona la.
Thank you Lela for the rose guys.
Ngiyamdayisa guys ukumete ungishange manikani uwonke wakho wonke.
Oh wena uyafa imanikani ngale ngibonile. Wayiphuma.
Hawu Nkosi yami. Usherile wathi wena uyamxhaphaza.
Hayi uPamela usile mfethu yazi kodwa nama kulungile ngoba vele ngisamdinga kwi-official yami kulungile ngizomyeka. Ngimqhufuza kahle mase ngiyidlalile.
Uyodlala official?
Yeah. Ngimqhufuza Monday ngo9.
Manje sibe khona lapha yasilobo silekelela.
Mfethu yazi into engikhuluma nawo Pamela le ukuthi abantu abaningi engibaziyo baya stream and ngizoba nzinyana ukuthi ngicela ama streamers because ama streamers ajwayele ukugift.
Angizoza mina.
Hayi moja because into engiyibuka leyo mfethu ukuthi mfethu yawo mfethu mfethu ish.
Azoza kuwe la mamanigani lapha ngizoloko ngishaya yona kanje. Angazidlala ngakhi matches 4 roses guys. Yaze yaphela.
Lapho ngicabanga ukuyicross. Yabo lo muntu engizodlala naye ndoda. Streamer. Uphetha ngazi yabo mfethu yabo uvivile mfethu into eghost la. Manje yazi ngifuna umshaya ngomqondo ukuthi ngenze njani. ngingabi prepared kuze ama-gifters akhe engasiboni isidingo sokuthi imgifte kakhulu.
Hayi. Kumele ube prepared uright usibizile kanje sizoza ngisho ngo9 siyavela si-attend umcimbi wakho and sizovula wethu lokhuya. Njengale nkathi ngicela ukuvula. Ngizobe ngisuka ngicela uku-attend emcimbini wakho.
Akulungile ngizokhuluma kahle kusasa mfethu nolova bami. Ngibatshele ukuthi hayi kuseni. Anishayise kanje.
Nango uphema ukhona la. Ngiyazibuza ukuthi uyivaleleni live.
Uphamela uzobe khona, uphamela ustandard. Uphamela uzobe khona ustandard mfethu. La match kumele ngiyiwini. Cause kuyafana mfethu nje. Kodwa ngizoyishare lawa mabulletin nami ngibatshele ukuthi kuseni ngo9 cha nifike.
Hayi, nami ngizo-attend umcimbi. Uzokuba nzulu.
Ukuthi angaze akubona ukhipha. You go harder sometimes noma ayi.
Khane ngiya manje ngoJanuary.
Oh, so serious uyagipha manje.
Ngiseng-serious.
Hayi. Yaku nami mfethu kumele ngiqunge isibindi nje mfethu lokhu nje ngitop up ama-coins ngifake i-whale diving level up ye-18. Ngeke uphamela nawe 17 nami ku-17 hayi. Ngiya-18 manje. Uzosala wena kangani nogift naphamela wena uyihlepha unamali wena. Ugift-a ke.
Gift uphamela ke. Maphala
wena uphamela.
Uyagifta.
Usikwala ngalendlela ukuthi usungazi ushare live kamoso. Hawu. Uyikwala mfethu. Akuyigwala shebi. Uyigwala. Hayi, futhi no2 niyafana. Ave nisherelana aba live. No2 niyafana. Wena noPamela niyafana mfethu. Hayi, yazi niyafana. Hayi.
Yabona manje. Ismoke awunaso manje.
Mfethu manje hayi. He just came. Yeah. I'm mfethu yabo nje ngisenkingeni ngempela mfethu. Ismoke sami mfethu. Abantu engibazi shosho ngiyabonga Pamela. Thank you so much.
Uyasniper Pamela. Uyasniper.
Yazi ubuyisa yokamozo manje. Okanye Pamela ama-hand hats siwadinga ku-official mfethu. Siwadinga lama-hand hats ku-official.
Awuthi ngiyokroba lapha ngaphandle.
Akulungile moja mfethu.
Showcase. Zip, dlala ngama zip. Kuthi ngiphakame ngizephe. Never touch you baby uyangichama. Hayibo. Ngasibambi manje islevu sami. Ngiyanisela. Zake ngashefa phela lana mina. Angiphiwanga nje. Ezinwelweni. Angiphiwanga. Awuhlala ngama zip. Awuhlala ngama zip. Exetuki. Submarine. Sap. What's popping? So faka icici man. Kwakudala ngifaka icici. Sukuma uzephe. Inkinga manje angeke ningibone kusasa. Umsebenzi omkhulu yabona. Samele ngi-adjusteke lana, samele ngiqalele phansi awuza ngamazipho. Nkosi yami. Yabona. It's a lot, hey. Happy New Year, my dog. Happy New Year, Sapo. Happy New Year. Sengicabangile uJesu uyakuthanda and nami ngimthanda kakhulu. Ngimthanda kakhulu nami uJesu. Kahle. Sathandana. athi khambi ngoqhilaza. Phuzani lapho. Water. Who are you playing now? Anyone. I'm playing anyone. Dlala kanjalo. Angeke. Sing love from Ghana. Thank you, Zoe. What's a Ghana? Oh, Shark.
You good, mfowethu?
Ah, sweet. Sweet.
I was about to sleep, but we can play one.
Let me take one streak.
Actually, let me take my streaks. First, give this time streak, guys.
Anything goes.
Let's tap, guys, and first give this time streak. Let's tap together.
Guys, asifuni phela guys. Asifuni time.
Guys, you see here.
And
Here. Yabona lana, guys. We can do it. Trust me.
Time
You can do it. First give this time streak, guys. Let's go.
Yo, Kitty.
Oh, I'm
Awu Kitty mara.
Thank you.
Nah guys, sizana uKitty athatha number kaKitty lana.
I'm watching Pep Universe. I'm still now you want to channel. I'm still now you want.
Thatha number kaKitty lapho unamuza uthini? Uthi uzonisupply abafethu.
I'm still now you want.
Stamina.
Abeko. That's just a number there. Abeko. So what's up to my result of 5?
5 roses guys. Shamila phinda uhoye lapho. Cela uhoye lapho. Thank you Andy. 4 more. 4 more. 4 more. 3 more. Thank you Kamu. 3 more. 3 more people. 3 more people. 3 more people, guys.
Thank you, Snaz.
Abafuni. Anifuni. Onyangincinja.
No, she glove engine. Yeah, guys, one money gun started in Alabantu. Do you know that? Or a corgi.
Yes, about niche. This is a threat.
Do you know that, guys? One money gun, one corgi, we're done. We go to sleep. Do you know that, guys? Niyakwazi lokho. Or ama donuts of 4. I think 4 donuts. 5 donuts. These people, they are weak. They won't do anything.
Guys, basuka.
They are weak. They are way too weak. Thank you so much for that. Like, trust me, like, they are weak, guys. Weak. So if you send them a money gun here, 3 to 4, 5 kogi, man.
Zip. Guys, asenzeni, guys. Asinyakazini. Let's move. Alright, siyasnayipeka. We are not safe at all. We are far from being safe. Thank you. Kamunge help me.
ngiyakutshela ngeke, hayi ngeke. I'm tired, Jim. Ayasilaleli ngempela machabalala. I'm tired now. And I doubt sizoyisniper, ne? But bastuckile-ke lapha, ngeke bafike nak-200. They are stucked lapha. Njengoba nisistuck la. Ngiyacabanga.
How painful bias predictor, guys. Let's do the unthinkable.
Yabona? Tsheleni hamba fake 200. Bastakile lapha. Come also, I'll see you tomorrow, my brother. I'm tired.
All right, Shaka.
Aburi.
Guys, sizoya kanjani phambili sinje? Sizoya kanjani phambili Nkosi yami sinje? Bazosenzani phambili? Siso. Phela phambili bayosisepa straight. Bayosisepa straight phambili. Futhi weekend bayepha abantu yini ningathi kuzweni notshwala la ekhaya? Uphu S. Oy. Lihlile. Uphumlile Nkosi yami. Kunini adlale defense mode and striking? Yeah, bayosibulala sure. Hi Kamuso, I hope you are well. Kikupa advice. Yazi sometimes okay name belube specific. Like advice uzothi ufuna le advice oyifunayo mina ngithatha ngiphosa kuma advice nje amanye le. Wena isho ukuthi ufuna advice about what, and I shall deliver. You get me? Lisesi sizoyenzani? Yo. Lisesi sinomsebenzi omningi guys, sisonke kanje. Sinomsebenzi omningi this year because uzaqala nonyaka. Yo. Lisesi sizoyenzani? Yo. Ngabhala iBhayibheli phela. Ngabhala iBhayibheli. Yo. Uyoshaya usaladiki. Alright, is first. Kahluphi man. Now we still cars. Kunamatracker bazosibamba. Ngishiya mina. Amatracker angaka manje sebayenza bawa improve. Wangathi asikho baningi nje eslive. What the hell? Okay. Good people. Greetings, guys. Greetings. amanye ama-comment angawaboni. Yeah. B, don't move. B, please stay. Greetings. Shadow. Greetings.
Hey, ngathi uzosipha lo mjidi yamuzi. Hey.
Uyabona
Ah,
futhi on my league uyena ophezulu manje. He's the one who's making, he's number 2.
Yo. Nkinga, ozaba basihlalo shy fast.
number 2.
Who number 2 on the league? Can you please follow me back? I was trying to look for you, but then I couldn't find you.
Manje ngi-smokeless. Manje.
Guys, let's double tap. Never say that, but you never know who's watching.
Shadow. All right.
Guys, let's all tap. Tap to face. Thank you.
Manje sonke sivakashele uNkulunkulu azositshela ukuthi kwenzakala.
Guys, this is the guy I was talking about. Some shy alone. We're 0 the whole time. Let's smoke less kanjani.
Ubani?
Wait.
Oy mina.
Glove. Bakasibitse bavukileke.
Let's go.
What is senze?
Guys, let's tap. Enigma, did you see we're getting 2 frags?
See, it didn't hit. Thank you so much for the shy speed.
Sidlala nCV.
Angazi. Let's play quiet game.
Sure, okay. Uzomuzwa ke. Angithi webebizi uzomuzwa. It's 500 Muslim.
Yeah, 500 a flop.
All right. Yo,
You didn't like, dude, I wish you were here to see everything that happened.
Guys, we play together and we play double tap together. Play double tap cool together, please.
khona la malanga.
It's okay, brother.
Guys, iRosa Eli1.
Can you please have a Rosa or 10 roses?
Rosa Eli1. Thank you Kamu.
Come on.
Uchubeke naye. Thank you Kamu. Uchubeke naye so qualify le speed.
Guys, we need 10 roses, guys. 10 roses.
Guys, can you please have 10 roses?
Uchubeke naye.
Rosy 10, guys, please.
So it's like short as 6 of them. Thank you Kamu. Ungachubeka naye. Short as 5. Short as 4.
If this guy was just quiet.
Short as 4. Renelo, thank you. Yes, thank you. Target reach. Thank you Kamu. Thank you Mtsiane. Bonge Kamu. Guys, bafika ku 500 ngiyathula ke mina manje. Times 2 guys. Asihlaseleni yabona. Can I get a response? Maria's
Guys, can you
unknown.
please carry on tapping the live? Can you please carry on liking?
Times 2.
They both have doubles.
Times 2. Thank you Kamu. Guys, asikhapheni uKamu guys. Singambukelini uKamu. Simkhaphe 7 bambane sibumbane. We are one.
Thank you so much, Joe. Slang speed leading, Papambili. Thank you so much, Mabatuli. They must be quiet. Batule Bamamilimin. Thank you so much, Fusi. Supremalisti, bra. Fafa's J, long time. Welcome in, bro. Guys, we work together, ne? Nyabonga kakhulu. Baye again babathule nje. Bakhulume ngezinhliziyo. Asihlali nabo. Bacanga ukuthi asela ngokudlala la baba. Canga usizela idlala la angeke. Supremalisti, I see you right there. Asela ngokudlala la. Angeke sihlale nawo baba. Guys, we double tap Nevusi. Thank you so much, my G. Baye bakhulume ngenhliziyo. So, net so ba right. Yena ngazi kamu waya busy acofa na phone. Why acofa na phone buto mdala? Thank you so much, Vusi, right there. Guys, we double tap together, ne? Let's go together. We double tap, guys. Ninga sabi angeke ba snipe. Bazokhuluma ngenhliziyo so. Nizokhuluma ngenhliziyo. Noma uthi ngibeka nje, ngibeka nje, noma uthini. Khuluma ngenhliziyo. Thank you so much, Vusi. I appreciate you right there. Let them khuluma ngenhliziyo. Bakhulume nje. Ngicabanga ukuthi kusasa nenzani, yini nani, kusasa niye church kanjani. Ngicabanga ukuthi kusasa niye church kanjani. Hayi ukuthi yini nani guy, niye church kanjani. Please. So welcome in the building, guys. Double tap, share the live, guys. Sony Shida, how are you right there? Guys, we double tap, Cynthia. How are you, Cynthia? Guys, we double tap, go together. Vusi, thank you so much. Double tap, Sony Shida. Hada baba. Hada Sony. Mele bakhulume ngenhliziyo. Vusi ubabambe kahle nje mangifuna uqamba manga. Mawenze so babambile. It's your boy. Welcome, bra. Bangakhuluma ke.
Thank you, Kamu. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Khalati, thank you. Enigma Stosh, thank you so much, guys. Guys, we're playing a 500k game.
You got a boosting laugh right there, I'm sure. Thank you. Oh, Misty, Sony, Shelly, thank you so much. Vusi, you got 2 missed. Misty, it's already very handle wa it. Can I go to it? Jovis. What can you, bro?
Guys, asibumbane yazi guys.
Everybody, let's tap. Two-Face, thank you for the catch. Yo. Two-Face, can I please hire you to be mod for tonight? But my moderators are not here.
Guys, we need to double tap together. Power tap, go together. Guys, double tap, power tap, go together.
Guys, asebenziseni times 2.
Double tap, power tap, go together.
Angithandi akaloku akhuluma.
Guys, I'm good. Jovis right there. I hope you're good, bruh. I hope you're good.
Are you
guys,
free?
We play together on the doubles, guys. Anything we play is double, guys. Remember, guys, we play quite
Kamu.
Thank you, Vusi.
Kamu, thank you.
Guys, we need to play together on the doubles.
Times 2, guys. 9 times 2.
TV fuck, Mandlalani.
Play together. Double tap, go together, please. Ghosty, I see
Just
you
tap,
right
bro, please. If I'm quiet, please thank the people.
Double tap, play together.
Thank you. If I'm quiet, please just thank the people and let them know it's a quiet game. 500 quiet game. But sometimes I'm playing in
Guys,
the back.
double tap.
Guys, we're playing a 500 quiet game against 2 very smokeless boys.
MTG in the building.
Yo. Guys, wafika 500 mele ngithule mina silalele yena. Akakhulumi kamnandi.
Khathaza.
Ukhuluma i1.
Danger, I see you right there. Guys, iqalile Vusi.
Smokeless men.
Sony Shida, let's go, guys.
Nkosi yami.
Guys,
asiyeni le 500 mele siyithole thina
azothula.
Baba ngomsindo kuzothuleka.
Vusi.
Guys, irosa eli1. 1 rosa or 10 roses. Thank you, Kamu. Kushota 9. 1 rosa. Kahle kahle.
This thing is doing this.
Or 2 clock hits.
I'm a clock hits my finger hard, Kamu.
I'm a clock hits. Wey, mameshana. Kanti ukuphi la usespace?
No, it's a projector. I'm a streamer, Kamu.
Manje usidlile izolo. Man, it doesn't matter ukuthi ngindlile izolo kodwa manje ulana. Angisho. Let bygones
thank
be
you so much for the
bygones.
follow.
Let bygones be bygones.
As long as somebody's in your room, they mustn't tell you about what you did to them. I don't know. Just go home. Shuru, thank you for the tabs.
Let's try, guys. Let's try to play. Cool idea. Let's go together.
Guys, can you please repost the live?
Welcome in the building, Nadia. Mashilwane, guys, we go together.
Guys,
we double tap together. Welcome now in the building.
Hey, Kamu, kusengifuna ukwazi-ke mina. That time uthi uyahamba benyokenzani?
Mina.
Batman, mina noma.
Mina bengiyophumula.
No, Kamu CV.
Oh.
Bengiyothatha ibreak nyana ye1 hour.
2 hours.
Guys, ish. Nkosi yami. Oh,
Okay,
I
since
get
the
it now.
smokeless, come where you from?
Johannesburg. Wena?
I'm in Pretoria, got the Pumlas, but Pretoria mainly. I'm based here.
Kuhlala khona. Mina ngiphuma indawo since ngila.
Sure.
Since ngila. Akukho la ngiphume
Zara
khona.
lap. Oh,
Mm.
Gazalumlas. Ron, come in. Please double tap, guys. I feel like at this point, umuntu nomuntu ulinda ama-fragment akhe. Awa, ayikho vale.
Kama yazi ungiphethe. Thank you uyazama but
So big. Triple Nata, I see you guys. We double tap go together. Ne? Power tap together.
how. Ngeke phela. Yeah. No man. Khona lama live angithathele ama MVP wami. Khona lama live akhona manje.
So you getting gloves like crazy.
Abantu ba-live. Angithi phela seku-12, it's almost 12. So bayabaphusha.
Tangu number 4. Shutha ukho lo msebenzi engwenzayo.
Okay, right there. Yeah.
Hayi into engiyenzayo.
W, thank you so
Number
much.
4 kwi-league.
Thank you for Sisoni, Boy T-Shelly, Magitlana. Thank you.
No, akhuleke yabo leyo as long as
Abantu abathephile.
oh na yazi abanye benzani bawacima ama-rankings abo. Thank you so much, Shuru. Thank you, Two-Face, Enigma, and another Shuru again. Some people they turn off their rankings, but must be honor like go 5-2. Uzobona umuntu ekhalela, guys, can I please have hand heart, please, guys, my fragment. Bazokunyisa labancomana. But you're safe, bro. Let me see what league you're going to.
Times 2. Buy one, get one free.
Guys, double tap.
Guys, your first gift is
Deals,
times 2.
CEO, pep deals.
Double tap go together. Okay.
Guys, your first gift is doubles. Everybody tap Enigma, double tap. CV, big screen.
Ujemile.
Sure, no tap.
Kamu, thank you.
Thank you so much for calling my back.
I'm not losing support later. He's doing too good. Jam.
Kusiam. I pray attendance.
Guys, namhlanje akekho ngisho nomuntu oyi-1 ostrange ongena la wathi ngimuhle.
Thank you so much.
Asibonge. Yo.
Good night, guys. Good night, Kamu.
I think it's okay now.
No, bruh, it's so annoying. People come here, you look so beautiful. Your lips are happy. I'm a level 0. They don't wanna know how to recharge. Every time.
Welcome, right.
Guys, tell the Rosa, anyone.
10 roses, guys. 10 roses.
Anyone.
How are you, Rhino? Happy New Year, Rhino. Happy New Year, Mfowethu.
Rose,
Happy New Year,
anyone.
Dondala. Happy New Year right there.
There's a Volts Club, Shudu.
Guys, you need 10 roses to activate the speed. I'm a rosy.
Bazongishela yabo ghost sabona ghost njani.
Guys, Rhino, guys, do you know Rhino, guys?
Yabona kusivi masividiyo no
Timora.
ngizolungisa ngodela ngabuza.
I-comment yakho ibonwa yini?
Namas and Mars.
New one. Unfortunately,
The
Askisi.
Kings, guys.
You shot your shots, but you missed. Askisi ngiyadlala sure. Oh, le phone izocima le. Whoa. Guys,
Ngiyaphila ngihlanyisa ubuso bakho. Yabo yabona nje ngisasho nje ukuthi today i-live be right. Ghost ngicela double tap siyabonga ama taps up. Thank you for the compliment.
Double tap.
I spoke too soon.
Double tap, play together. Rhino, big bro. Rhino is
And it's a level 0. You see how important I was.
Happy New Year, bro. Happy New
Please
Year.
go to
Honestly,
www.tiktok/coins and recharge there.
big bro. I won't forget you. Thank you so much, Pussy.
Wow. Yazi ngahawula kuba ngathi ngifuna ukukhala.
It's like real blah blah.
Linomja. How are you, Linomja? Guys, double tap, guys. We need to play together. We double tap. Pele, welcome in the building, Pele. Yes, welcome, bro.
Wonke my friends were my life mos. Chaka Dollar.
Linomja, how are you?
Kamala ku Chaka Dollar. Mbongi I follow Two Face. Obuso buyithu.
Shem CV, you had smoke. You see, when I was watching you during the day, you had smoke. When we were playing, we both had smoke. Man, just in the fragment. Shame.
Yazi ngithe mangicheka la. Wonke umuntu live. Sonke
Welcome to
silayo.
live. Oh, wait, colleague. Ha. Khona bangekho live kodwa. Sure, mara sonke. Mina nje the ones next to me, they're all live. But ngeke bangisnipe. I know it's too late. Man, top 6, yo. My sister, you're gorgeous. I think I bought back love. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you.
Abantu bamne.
WVC.
Lele, thank you. Thank you Lele.
Khona umunye akade asijukile ethi
Usekile kuba nawe la Lele.
Guys, it's double tap together. Double tap, guys. Go together.
Guys, you first get these triples.
Yes. Nango ke lo triples lo. Besikhuluma ngaye mina noNo.
Guys, if somebody sends hearts, they're both gonna keep
Buy
quiet for
one
the
get
whole
two
match. They
free.
don't have smoke.
Yo, pep deals.
Thank you, Bafana. Thank you so much, boys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, man. Come by.
Guys, times 3. Times 3. Times 3, guys. Nancy times 3.
Down, Bafana. Thank you so much, boys. Come by, Ndan. Come by. Come by, Bafana.
Mara, why ain't you guys sleeping? When why ungalalanga Chaka Dollar?
Why ungalalanga wena? How? Lunqobile, thank you for the follow.
Guys, double tap, guys. Rhino is in the building. Rhino, can you please double tap my king? Please, Rhino. Please.
I'm a grown up. Manje uzama ukuthini Chaka Dollar thina ithi siyasibantwana. Ye Chaka.
Thank you so much, please. Guys, double tap. Rhino, if ever you're selling the
Ngicabangile akawini ukamuzo. Yes.
can't even see the score. Yo, man. This side they're on 126. This
No, ngicela i-360 mama. Moderator block. Actually, let me just mute you. Ish. Yabona nje laba 360. Oh, muted. Oh, thank you. Oh, moderator should yasebenza. Oh, thank you for blocking nje wanze. Lapho level 0.
I see, I'm blessed.
Akasathi Galaxy and then nakhulumele vele 360 ekhona.
Hayi ngeke azayithola. Kukhona abantu abafika lana, they do the most, they gift. Abafuni next except for thank you.
Yayibona. Jojo yo uyenzani my yaya. Ndoda. 250 TikTok wala.
Thank you, neighbor, for the rose.
Yazi indawo wena utsho ukuthi ngilala emanyaweni. Ndaprod. Utsho ukuthi I sleep emanyaweni.
Flying things for the
Ethabo.
steps.
Ngibonile no la. Awenza something.
Guys, hey, devils.
Thank you Popsy.
That's the sound of smokelessness. Guys, gonna be the devils. No one is ever saying yes.
No Chakadola, I'm Kamuso.
See you welcome in the police.
Yeah, come on. Never to come. I don't know. I'm supposed to come somewhere.
Obalafulile lapho wena molibona.
Ngibona uKamos.
Ghost manje hayi nyamza. uGhost uye lo blockiwe ngale ku game Ghost uyaphapha. Wena uze nami ngapha mawusofika ubona amantombazana awubambeki.
Uyahamba yabo flop
Yahamba
lapho.
yangishiya. Khani ubuya manje ngoba sogxothiwe ngalo. Uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle asiphethananga mina nawe.
Welcome in the police.
Yabona Chakadola
So
yabona.
the thing is,
Mangizeli ngobutsotsi mina lana. Chakadola keep ubukasi. Ku live la.
Guys, we double tap shame, guys. Wow.
one more game and then we celebrate. Hey, guys, it's shame. You know, for the first time in a long time, I wanted to put in my live, I meant in my bio, live at 9, but I'm like, yo, I don't know, choose it for myself. But guys, I'm a full-time streamer now. Well,
Dala
not
vadi ya.
full-time streamer. Thank
Dala
you so much, Enigma. Thank you,
Television
Shane. Two-Face,
Yakwazi
thank you for helping
Television
out
subs.
tonight.
Surely everyone who double tapped, guys. CIB, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of you. Comfort, thank you so much.
Sesinesikhathi
You
ngingabathulisa
know, you
abantu.
two can actually play. No, Kulega, shame.
Let's double tap. Let's double tap. Let's double tap.
And
let's double
by
tap.
the way,
Guys,
Gamu, you don't know, you two, you share an MVP.
double tap, double tap, double tap, guys. Remember the strategy of the game. We double
Mina
tap,
naye.
please. Because
Yes, yeah.
Sheru S.
done with it. Guys, that was.
So just know, even if you want to play with him, you can play a lot of matches. You wanted to put him on your
Guys,
line
double
at
tap together.
9.
Power tap go together, guys. Double tap, power tap
How?
go together.
Guys, it times 2. Nangapha sibasithile ababoni nix. Kuyafana nalokusitha nje. Asazi sibe basithelana.
I think.
Ayi Chakadola yazi uyabuza nkosi yami. Chakadola, like the live. Like the live. Amanje ukuthi kunombolo izinto zasekasi nje.
Ubona kuma ngamanombolo manje.
Angisho mina ngimanamani ngiblockane.
Semanje bakutshela ngenombolo. Inombolo ingena TikTok.
Nama ngazi yazi ngisafuna ukunderstand.
10 roses.
Guys, we want to play, guys. Double tap, guys.
Guys, the Rosa.
Post, guys. Double tap, share the live repost. Double tap, share the live repost, please.
Ungasa explain Ghost. Ungasa-explain, don't ungasa-explain, ungasachaza. It's fine. Rosa, kube manje sizama ukumshaya uba ne-get back ebonakalayo ukuthi ublockiwe. Hayi ukuthi uchaza.
Hey, Don. Thank you so much. Yes, guys, send roses. I see it. Can you please shut them up? They're saying mean things to me. I'm joking. Thank you so much for the roses, Don. Guys, 2 minutes until we reset. I'm not ready for the next league, man. Ooh. Guys, we have doubles. Guys, America is always up to something, you know. Guys, thank you.
Takatola uyangifollowa ngoba uyafuna or uyangifollowa nje. Yabo ukuthi manje sewangibamba ngechokehold.
Tata, babe, thula. Yes, bamba umlomo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bamba umlomo. Ngathi ungabamba kanjani until the match is over. How? You think we like you as we run out of smoke? Don't say no. They must keep quiet and they must stay in ice. Check Mabaso. Stay in the
Lengathi uKadafi.
TV. Yay! Awufuni ngiqala MVP yakho mina. Angithi? Angithi? Ngenzange ukuthi ngiphendule futhi. You CV there looking like a fucking alligator, 617, you're on the A league. What's your problem? Guys, please post double shit alive. No one is now in the big tree and got a shield. Don't even celebrate your shields and fragments there. Don't, hey, put your hands down. Oh. I can't answer again. Big 3, guys. Kamu! Congratulations on Big 3. Since you cannot celebrate for yourself. Congratulations. You're going to go to the A League soon. I see you. But not with 78, okay? Not with 78, boy. Not with 78. Don! Thank you so much. Don. Thank you. T-Face Enigma Shulu Jr. Huh? Happy New Year, youth. Yeah?
Guys, ngiyabonga ukuthi ngiphephile.
Thank you so much, Don. You got 2 power ups. Thank you, T-Face Enigma Shulu. Guys, we're getting back there. Getting back there.
Ubani wena ubuthini ngo-Aisha Speed. Ndalo manje ungilandile. Yini ungilandile?
For Aisha Speed.
Yeah. Manje wena Ndalo ungilandile. Are you here to fetch me?
Guys, first give this double. Let's
Isho
not even
phela
make them
ngizokutshela
talk or
cash.
even explain. Guys, that's all the
Yo.
WhatsApp. Yes.
Bangi-abuser manje.
Thank you for having me. Oh, guys, Big 3.
Ukhona lo muntu lobo umloku umemeza emoyeni. Oh, P3, hayi bo safika sithi ku P3.
The first one to Big 3, shut the fuck up. That's hula. Didn't you hear me saying congratulations on Big 3, but you must shut up because it's a quiet game. And don't say keep quiet. How? And stay, be nice. TikTok says be nice. Look at you can't even celebrate. You had smoke, now it's gone. Shame, but whom? They can't even give you some roses nyana so that you can rank up and be on daily for even like a few seconds. I'm on daily 71. Daily 71. Are you okay? 289,000 followers. And you're on 42. Ah, hey. I said I don't know where you put. Oh, fuck, 4 people.
4 roses.
Okay, guys, I need your help. If one person can just send a rose, please, I'll talk to them for you. Put your
Yeah.
fingers down. 1 rose from 1 person. Each person, 4 different people. Please send 1 rose, just 1 coin. Thank you. Now we need 2. They need 4 still. 1 more person. Just somebody else. Another person. Please. Guys. Whoa. We cannot miss speed. Okay, it's fine. Don, can you please play a glove? Shmara, do we even have to play a glove? They don't have anything. They're smokeless. The MVPs are gone. Sitting on tabs. Remember the first time you and I met? This is how you beat me. You were sitting on tabs there. Beats me with 100 and something score with tabs. The glove. You see down, you see where the gifts are. If you look down there and you scroll a bit at the end, just like next to where your balance is, you're gonna see a backpack. Then you're gonna see there's a glove and power ups. Those are power ups. But you don't have to send a glove now. I don't think they're even gonna snipe this. It's fine. They can't snipe this. So you're telling me that you're depending on 1 person. 1 person is your smoke. Like you have a team of tappers, yo. All these followers and Bugan. Quality over quantity. You understand, Skisi? Quality over quantity. Imagine if all those people were here tapping for you. Marabathande ke. Or now you bought bots. Ngiyanazi phela nini. Ngisebenza ngama-bot. Thula. Ngizokwenza uthi so. If you carry on. Uzopuzitela ZCC the whole day and night. Lutho akulungi. Kwiligi yethu chobe ngikunumber 9 wena.
$100.
Bathe ngibuzo. Bathe phendula class. The quiet game. Ngibuzile ngisayithi phendula. Nakhona nje anginandaba. Ngifuna nje
Okay.
ukuthabanga manje. Ish. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mbuka ama-rose angena manje, but when you say unlock speed, abafaki.
Aish.
Thank you so much, Don. Hey, thank you, Nick.
Thank you Slindo nabantu abathephile. Yo.
Lunqobile Nomusa Two-Face. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you Slindo and Mcebota.
MVP.
Guys. How? Yes.
Guys, we all tab. We saw they have tabs. They don't have gifters then.
Yeah. Guys, asimsabi lona guys man, asiphefumuleni. Akathusi kanjani bengiloko simdiscipline la. Sekanamazwi nyana manje. Thank you Andy. Times 3 guys, times 3. Times 3.
I know it's fine. Somebody else is gonna pull up.
Times 3. Thank you, Andy. I receive. Thank you, Andy.
Way.
Thank you very much. Masifika
Enough is
ku-500. Once afika
over.
ku-500 siyamthulisa, uyathula tu.
Way. Nizofika nje.
Sofika.
Mm.
Sofika. Apple Lyrics.
Guys, let's
A- a- a-
open.
Asithi ukunyakaza guys, asithi ukunyakaza sofika ku-500 fast. Sikwazi ukumthulisa simtshele where to get off. Manje uzoloku afuna ukuphikisana nami. Into engafuneki leyo. Yazi yena
Mina nje
afika.
bagabela kamuso. Kumele uzoze gift gallery yami. Ha!
Mr. Mashila. Yeah. Guys, nama hand hearts ayi-2.
Ayi-2. Awu-4. Naphuma
Ayi-4.
u-2. Idinga imani igani lesisipikidi khohlwa boy. Ayekho othulayo.
Guys, asimboniseni. Imani igani khona lapha. Mawucofa lapha yaphansi kuleya treasure uyabhekana nayo imani igani. Just idinga ukuthi uyipress.
Masibecofile izothi recharge abanayo.
Hamba noyicofa niyibone ukuthi ayicofeki guys. Hlulekani nizamile. Yeah. Wow. Ile yathi recharge.
Speed one. Oh. It's because of the other games. The score is too high.
Kiki. So cabangeni. Yes. Aish. Sisi yazi bekumele simbambe simiyeke. Simbambe
Wezwe
nge-Chokeslam
mama
simbambe.
ungidedele vele. Mina noma ngathi uthiwa mfethu ngizokhuluma nje okusalayo. Ayikho into ozongenza yona ngisabi. Ne-team yakho ngiyalibona ukuthi okay fine unayo i-team but ayikakoqondo ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Udinga abantu abazo-recharge.
Oh, lo bekazile lo bekaze ngomlilo wamaphepha wethishu. Uphi?
Uhambile.
Uhambeleni? Hayi. If you want.
Uhambile ngisho amakhona aphelile phela. Amakhona ayaphela. Kuzongena omunye nakuthulisa.
Thank you Boneless. If you want bekumele ahlale phela siphikisana. Nayi bengizomtholela.
But not if you want.
If you
Ishe
want.
level 0 let's if you want. Hey. Vele intombazana nje kule app yaba nesmoke if you want. Hayi bafele si right ke shothi siyasenda. Fuck.
Uka.
Fuck indaba if you want. Amara trust siyasenda shame ngabe siyareka thina popular every day.
Uka. If you want uhambe nokuhamba. Bahambe bayithube ngibabona lapha ya. Bahambile.
Why 2?
Okay, bekayi-1. Unegama lesiNigeria so. Ngele ngambheka. Kuthi kahle kahle ubani ongisuppressa kanje.
Thank you to your people for following me, Shane. Yabona kodwa nginodank.
Yeah. Obakufollowa. Base kabi mangithi mabafollow umuntu abayenzi leyo nto.
Stylish.
Mangithi follow my
Thank you so much,
MVP.
Ma, for Two-Face Enigma Studio. Like,
Abangeni. Thank you Andy. Thank you Andy Boneless. Mr. Mashila say. Thank you very much.
usudlala kakhulu these days, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed.
Ngidlala kakhulu kulamalanga. Ayinto okuhlala. Nami ngifuna ukubaya lapha ku A1. If ikhona edlula u-A1 ngibe kuyo.
A1 is the highest.
Funa yona. Mara kusimple ukufika kona kulezi zinto lezi.
Ukuhlala khona udinga like 20k active fragment or 30k coins.
Ukuhlala.
Ukuyisave.
Kanti uyabuyela emuva kanti.
Even now nje makuthi uzanding media W badge. Where is it? Hayibo. Iphi badge? Hey, oh imino ngayibona. It doesn't show.
Ah,
Oh, it shows me live.
lutho.
No, but ikhona. Oh. Okay, since oh, I'm gonna check ama-rankings ezona. So kamune dabe sesakhona yabo njanje masive ku B3.
Yeah.
Guys, can I please have 2 rows from 2 people?
Yini
So
ukhohle
mina ngina
ukuthi
fragment A1.
oh, 2 roses.
Oh.
2 roses.
So guys, can I please have 1 rose? Mara phela check box one. So guys, can I please have 1 more rose? Thank you. Hey, hi.
Thank you,
I want to
spontaneous.
Enigma. You are that
One
moderator.
more.
I don't know if you are waiting for
Thank you,
someone to
Skosi.
say, just
Time
unlock
3.
the speed, boy, guys. I'm gonna send you guys treasure
Yaqala
box.
uSkhosi ngokusenda igift namhlanje. Danko Skhosi. Qala ngami.
So if kukuthi awuyi live, uyehla. Uyabuyela ku D. Kumele uhlale live.
Oh. Oh, ayike
Guys, you have triples.
ithole mina. Guys, time 3.
Yes, you may, please. If you comment it.
Ngifuna ukuyiceda le drama. Idrama ikuphi?
The drama. The club. It's just here in Hatfield.
Mthiyane
Down
ngathi
for
asikhuphula
D.
amasoka.
Think for a popular. Akhuleka ngeke sikushutha piece manje.
Oy, idrama ikhona khona lapha eduze.
Yeah, you know, drama is just here, honestly. For me, and I can even walk there.
Ya, ngifuna ukuze drama. Kayibani. Ha. Hayi Nkosi yami ayingeke.
Shut up. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the Galaxy W level up. Triple threat, bro. Yes, uyothola umbheka bayothepa bathephile yezwa your power tappers over there. Hey baba kamu bro, definitely. Can you please send a heart me? Can you please join my fan club? Guys, I don't know what to call this thing, fan club or what, no. I don't know how to call it a fan club. But thank you so much. Akwazi ukwathulakala kamnandi kanjani kamnandi kanjani yewena wenzani lapho
Angibukele nje. Ande wona mcebo bowulamba.
manje wayumbhekile
Hayi phela ngiyabona ukuthi it's familiar.
call it family. Okay, welcome to my house. House is nice. Welcome to my trap house. We have fun and play with brokies. I'm joking. Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the galaxy. You gotta grab. Thank you, D Media, Two Face, Enigma,
Guys, ngiyabonga
Slime,
ukuthi thank you
Jabulo, guys.
spontaneous.
Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. WMVP, for real. Thank you. We appreciate it. We appreciate
Asisathephi siza nomhlolo.
Hmm. Okay, guys, let's all double tap. Yeah? Don't worry, Camus. I think they're back that side.
Mababhek ngapha shoot abayenzi lento abayenze ngale. Mababhek ngapha bakhuluma kuphela bakhuluma nami. Yes, thank you kule time stream. Thank you, Mcebo. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Come on, cool. Guys, if us get these triples, let's all tap though, still. I mean, I really appreciate it, Shame. It's a push. Refill it, thank you. And I want to push a much, it's better because when you come back later on, you don't have to do too much, yo.
Okunamba bani?
I'm still number 8, but then I'm not really pushing my rankings. For now, the best thing to push is to be like maybe over top 20 or top 10. So that mustn't gonna go live. Even if we are club, you either go to top 20 or you're on top 30 something. Muscle pusher, you can easily get a fragment.
Ngu-38. Uthi kabi.
38 is safe. I think you're top 10, top 20. Don't worry about that. Abanye abekho live. Sure.
Yabona njengoba sifike ku-B3 banama requirements anuka kanjani?
No, the speed is always determined by how the previous game was. Ubonile especially you put 3K on your head, they wanted money gun.
Yeah.
Now because of that galaxy, they want 100.
Oh. Ngabe bengithi ama rose bangavumi kuyophela kuyoba njani ke mase guys isigqoko Father Figure isigqoko lesi sinentshebe.
It's a mustache. You 99. It's a hand heart. Hand heart is easily easy fast. Hand heart. But the speed says pedal on their side now.
Bluel. Yo. Hi. Kek. Kumnandi drama no. Kumnandi drama.
I've never angaza ngisho mina angiyithanda indawo zengane. In terms of bangazi student.
Eh?
Are you a student? 25 plus?
Yeah.
Yeah, then drama mina.
Uthanda?
Even if mina like if go to say Hatfield, the one place I would go to is a blue room. La manya it's a social club, this I don't you corner. And then my go to phone like well if it's something serious and I'm not like spending then like I wanna go to like the nice clubs or tempo and stuff is nice. And then but otherwise I just go to restaurant, I chill, have my drinks there.
Oh, groovy.
Not really. Even group and group are like endaweni like ukuthi okay khona dress code kumele gqoke kumele hayi ukuthi ngene noma
Mina groovy ngiphumile yes.
but
Nsika. Thank you for the follow. Ngiphumile groove ngiphume kulo December. Hayi ngeke. The way be high. Thank you. Ayingisaphuza futhi for the whole week.
I mean, when on the 31st, I was hosting here on my live, like a crossover and Tonton, because vele mina ngithi ngiyi-1 lana. So yeah, book wenzaleni.
Thank you Nsiki. Imoshekile phone.
Iwile sana.
I-iPhone le.
Bengiyisebenzisa for music. Lena kuyona. Yo, i-iPhone engisikrima ngayo.
Nayi hayi wise kanjani? Yawa kabuhlungu kanje phela amafoni wethu mawavithiki ngemuva.
Bengidakiwe mfethu. Shuthi bengine-power ne. Yavele yathi because ithe kancane kodwa bishaye phansi vele athi manca. And futhi yathi manca ifoni phansi.
Phelile indaba yayo.
Kungcono ibizo. Mase ibizothi it's gone. Kungcono ibizo bounce anyana ya.
Ku live lento yenzeke ku live.
Thank you Slime, siyabonga Shudu, Two Face. Yenze ku live. Engithi phela I was hosting with Pools, we were playing drinking games and stuff.
Nabangani bakho balapho.
Kade bekwi panel. Kade ngingedwa mina la endlini.
Oh. How? Ama games kanjani la wadlalwa khona drinking games. Ungimeme. Ngithengeni. Hayi maripi hayi ngeke ngasengiright utshwala. Ingeke.
No, we can organize one if you want, like a series. So, because engithi phela lana it was just for like New Year's, like what. Guys, please double tap now. It was just for New Year's what. So normally if like we're playing like a series, Princess, thank you for the follow. Like sonke masingena kwi live siya restrict. Yakwazi ukurestrict live yakho.
Yeah. Abantu aba over 18
Yeah,
hayi
siya
akuwa. Laba balana manje.
Hayi Cocomelon. So siya restrictor and then siko-hosta sonke. The lowest coins ibona abaphutha ama-shots.
Oh wow. Unama coins phakathi. Wow, hayi. Count me in. Inama coins.
The lowest coins take.
Usho ukuthi ngithenga ibhodlela.
Yeah, I'll take a bottle. Guys, can you please have 2 roses from 2 different people?
Guys, lento ayishilo mara yena usho ngesilungu.
Yeah, ama-rose awu-2 abantu abahlukile or one coin gift.
21 lana. Siyenta ngoba senta bo.
Wena nami bangibuze njalo ukuthi what are you guys doing like this competition in that's the same person who was whooping your ass. Phendula kahle lapho.
Ubani? uLondon.
UPaul.
Hayi akusupholi.
No, so like abanye abantu abazi senzani lana. They don't know about recharging, about tapping in abazi lutho. And sometimes they really want to help.
Silana siyalwa lana. Yazi phela angikwazi ukusiza umuntu ukuthi urecharge kanjani. Ngisho nami ngidlala ama live. So angazi mina ngivani mani mangabe ngigift umuntu ngani ngithi mangimgifta gifteke. Angikhumbuli ngirecharge. Angazi
Hey kamusi. Mina ngizokufundisa ufunda njani.
Hayi ukurecharge.
Labo leyo auto exchange leyo. Hayi ukurecharge. Engithi nje the way gift akhona ya exchanger.
Yeah.
Mina ngizokufundisa iway whereby uzoya ku isifethu ukuthi manje baningi abantu abalana but then uyakhona ne and then iya exchange and the difference can be up to, let me see. So let's say maybe like you have $20. If you're exchanging, you're probably gonna get like 1,800 coins or 1,600 coins. But the way ngizokufundisa ngakhona it's gonna it's gonna so i-hand hard it's $1.15 ne.
Yeah.
But the way exchange ngakhona mina i-hand hard is just $1.
Kahle
So lama 15 cents lawa ayahlangana.
Uthola ngithi
ngizokufundisa ukuthi njani.
ngifundise. ngenze kahle cause mina ngimane nje ngiyenze
Tholuza
kwenzeke.
level up now because level 14.
Mm.
Level up, phamisa.
So and ngiyakhiftana ngaleso sikhathi lapho nalapho. Yeah, iflop mina ngisanda uyiqala lento and angina Rose boy. Mina shem bengizonceda. Shem.
Mtshela ukuthi eze ngala for 1 second, eze ngala.
Umblokile.
Igama lakhe?
Ughost.
Ughost? Wey. Hayi. Ngine-treasure box mina lana. I normally throw it for abantu khona bazosenda ama-heart me or basize uku-unlock ispeed.
Nkosi yami. Manje mina ngiyolala yazi. Mina yazi nginoni mina ngiyolala manje ngizoze ngiyibone kusasa. Shuthi sengivule kakhulu. Mara ngibukela umuntu ashaya ilanga lonke.
No, it's ikutshele so yazi usebenza kanjani sometimes yabona nami ukuthi ngiku-3 umuntu okhona la u-2 face. So kuyenzeka ukuthi abantu thola ukuthi maybe like you have 200 people on your life but there are 50 people who are watching. Man, if I check now that it says 5 phezulu. Okay, but then there are 5 people watching. But guys, why didn't you type Odogu? Okay, it's fine. I guess they didn't type. Hlokoloza, thank you for the heart me. It's in cars about the match. How it happens is that when we build a team, yabo ekuseni khona abantu aba-available ekuseni uma bevuka. And then uthola ukuthi uzoba ne-smoke khona or there's gonna be like 1 MVP, 2 MVPs abadlala ekuseni. During the day, kube khona labantu laba ku-TikTok during the day. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3 MVPs who are gonna play during the day. Ebusuku, kube khona abantu abakhona ebusuku. You're gonna have that 1 MVP, 2 MVPs, or sometimes abantu aba-international. They just come to your live, they find you. So you must try both, like, wazi ukuthi okay, ekuseni. Yeah, guys, thank you for the tips.
Mina ngidlala emini. Ngidlala emini. Ya kunokuba khona ismoke nasebusuku ngale nkathi ngishisa kabi. Angazi manje abantu like bathanda ukungibona ngicindezeleyo.
Because thola ukuthi they're not big gifters.
Baningi.
Guys, let's all tap, but let me call you one by one. T-Face, stolen boy, okay, the all tap. But guys, lo odoku, lo ongimbona is the odoku of TikTok, like the one, lo.
Mbizi umbuzo ukuthi ayi odogo.
Hayi wena ngimbizile. He's big. He's a big gifter.
Mina ngiyakhuluma mina ngisekabi mina yazi. Nokuthi makudlula ukingmonada la ngimise ngithi akabe.
No, we are friends. No, we are friends, but then phela bese yabo. Relax.
Hayi nami.
Abanye abathanda ukubiza.
Abanye abathanda ukubiza. Mara you have nothing to lose, kuyafana man. You have nothing to lose. Like kuyafana.
TDM, thank you for the phone. They will never come back to your life. You must just keep it cool, man.
Aye. Next. Ubukhulu sometimes badlula mawukhulu.
Guys, one more rose. Come, somebody come this side and collect a rose and unlock speed for me too.
Sengizengikhathele ngokucela ama-rose. Sengizengikhathele nkosami because ngiba ngishaya ngebhomo.
Lexi, thank you so much for the tips. No, it's like that.
Ya mina ke noni ngiyabizana mina ke noni. Yabona ngathi makubona udlula ngiyakubiza ngitshele noni. Yazibona isikhosi amasambi kahle ngisho. Udlula kanjani? Ngoba udlula ngapha hayi ukuthi phela udlule ngaphi.
Mina if you pass once or twice or 3 times, or I see like more than 3 times, then I'll be like, wait, the skipper. But if, like abanye abantu bayadlula. This other time khona 43 bayadlula nje ngibingelele mina. Abe bafuna attention. Uzodlula ngawu-10 uthi hey wena, stop flying here, land, say hi.
Hayi mina ngiyakubiza. And azakhe angangisebenzeli le ukubiza ngokuthi ngiyakubiza. Ngibiza phela ngiyabona ukuthi kunakubu Diamond wena ungenye indlela ke wena. Wena hey. Tshela asilungise lapha ya. And balungise vele banishaya. That's why abantu abaningi mangidlala nabo bazothi ngiyi-view once. Because phela mina ngisithi sidlala ngibe ngibiza same time mangibona ungishaya. I have nothing to lose. Kuyafana.
Naso smoke siviwa sisasebenza. Sisasebenza smoke siviwa nabo usugothile before umuntu abafika laba level upper level up never saw them again.
Ya. Enye into futhi mawuceda ubafollow mawubaforwardela futhi abasabuyi. Bakufollow.
Sorry, I get to give you any clue. Just who's this Kitty M? Tap. You see this treasure box over there? Just tap there, and then you can just send whatever you want. I don't know if you're from this side or that side, but you can also go send the heart me that side.
Niza, thank you
Even if
Niza,
you
ngihad
don't
me.
do anything.
Guys, ama-hard me ngiyawathanda.
Does that make sense? Abalekile ama-heart me. Noma ngakho ukuthi ngitshele. 82. Khuphuka kami, khuphuka. Kitty M, did you get that? Just tap on top there, collect the coin from the treasure box.
Ukuthi
And then
singagagamile.
you can send it. You can even do something like on the side. Mooney, thank you for the follow. Blacksy, thank you for the likes.
Noni, mina ngiyayivala. Ngiyayivala nkosi yami.
Hey, Shapi, vale, mina ngicabanga ukwenza i-panel. Ish, hayi i-panel ibalulekile futhi mina.
Ya socializer.
Uma ukuthi bakhona phela abantu abazojoyina, uma ukuthi abekho.